Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check hardware details in your Android phone. Now you cannot check your hardware details from your phone settings. Now to check your hardware details you have to download a third-party apps. So just open up your Google Play Store and then search for Def Check app. Then just tap here. Then you have to download this Def Check device and system info app. Then just tap on install and give it a moment, and the download is complete. Now just open this app and then tap on hardware option, and that's it. From here you can check your all the phone hardware details. Here you can see processor option, and from here you can check your processor details. You can see in my phone chipset is Samsung Exynos 850. From here you can check your CPU cores, and from here you can check your ABI, supported ABI frequency and anything as you want. Now if you scroll down, and from here you can check your GPU details. Also from here you can check display, memory, storage, Bluetooth, audio, and you can check any hardware details as you want. And that is how you can check hardware details in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.